My lease is up in Texas, and I don't have a lease in my new state, but my car has been shipped there. I don't have nowhere to live, and I don't know what to do. Hey guys, it's your Imani here. I'm back for another freaking video, y'all. Okay, so today I have a lot to do, and I'm bringing y'all with me. Hello. So as you can see, there is almost nothing in my background. There's literally nothing in my background. So as y'all know, I'm moving. Word still is not out where, but I'm gonna tell y'all where soon. Anyways, as you can see, there's literally like not much furniture in my background. That's because literally everything is pretty much gone except for my couch and my bed, and my bed and my couch will be picked up very soon. I just brushed my teeth, I washed my face, I took my hair down, and I got dressed. I just have on leggings, a sports bra, a workout jacket, even though I'm not working out, and some sandals because I'm getting my toes done. I have not got them done in like a few months because I've just been so like, yeah, on top of it. So let's go. Make sure y'all subscribe, make sure y'all like, whatever. Let's get into it. So pretty outside today. It's so pretty, yeah. It's literally so pretty outside. Let me show you the it's hot. This Texas heat is hot. It's hot. This Texas heat is so hot. It's 9:42. It's my sister's birthday, so I'm about to FaceTime her. Happy birthday!
So bad.
What you about to do right now?
Girl, give us sausage and cheese.
And then what?
Go to Toya. Hold on, this random number's calling me. Let me see what they
Alright. You said it's period way too much. Alright, yes. I'm dramatic as fuck. But speaking of food, she just said she was getting bacon, egg, and cheese. I'm not getting no, she said she getting sausage, egg, I'm not getting sausage, egg, and cheese, but I will get bacon, egg, and cheese. Wait, I'm like, where's the enter? Hi, how are you? What would you say? Alright guys, so we're in Best Buy. These are the cameras. These are Sony, but I want Canon, so these are the Canons over here. Oh wait, why they turned the opposite way? Oh, I guess so you can see. But yeah, these are the Canons. I don't see the one that I want. Okay, no, they're over here. Hopefully my phone over there. My phone is over there. So yeah, I don't see the one that I want, but yes, I do. I'm vlogging. Okay, so I'm looking for, hold on, let me go to it. I know exactly that camera that I want. Hopefully you guys have it. Yes. G7X to Mark 2.
Sorry, they're repping me today on this episode.
Oh no, it's okay.
So for that dude right there, I sell them, don't have any stock.
Oh no. I had, yeah, it definitely wasn't that one. Hold on, let me see. He's trying to tell me to get a Sony. I don't want a Sony. Yes, thank you. Here is the camera he's telling me to get. I don't want this camera because I had this camera. Okay, so the picture quality is good. Hold on, let me show y'all. The video quality is, can y'all see? It's okay. For me, it's really the coloration. Like, I don't know. And I get it. He's saying that people buy the camera 10 times more than they do the one that I want, but it's what I want. Like, it's what I want. Yeah. Each month? No. Are you talking about set my, okay, you're not talking about set my rates. You're talking about set my, like, the numbers I want to hit each month. No, I haven't did that because just had to have a meeting in my car because I didn't realize that my meeting with my business coach was scheduled for 10:30 Central Time. It was scheduled for 11:30 Eastern Time, and I thought it was scheduled for 11:30 Central Time. So I was all in Best Buy looking at cameras and stuff while this man was on the Zoom waiting for me. So I had to like hurry up and get in my car and do the meeting. If you in Texas, you need to come here. Come here. This place got, I love the even just the aesthetic, but yeah, it's really cute. My camera about to die. I gotta use my phone. Okay. Alright, y'all, my camera's about to die and I'm out, so I'm gonna use my phone. I'm mad about that, but it's okay. Hey guys, so it's the next day. I literally got so much happened. Like, after I left and got food, I just went and got some work done, and then I went out and I got some footage of that. And yeah, I came back here at like 4 in the morning, and let's just say, don't you know when you do when you're drunk and then you wake up the next day and be like, what the f, like, why would I do that? So my goal for the day is to clean out my closet, clean out all my cabinets, start putting stuff in my trunk, start throwing out stuff. So yeah, I gotta do all that today. So that's what we're about to get into. Yeah, let's go. So first things first, I'm cleaning out this there is just so much, y'all. There is so much in these drawers. It's just so much. So I feel hungover still. Okay, not hungover, but I feel like I gotta throw up. During the weekdays, I am focused on capital staffing. So that's like, I'm so focused on capital staffing during the weekdays. I have to do this right now because I don't be. Oh my gosh. So y'all, I was literally about to sell my bed and I was like, damn, this is so dusty. Oh my god, I love this bed so much. I'm kind of sad I'm giving it away because it's emerald green. Y'all can't see, looks okay, y'all can't see, but it's emerald green. Like, ugh. The goal for today is to clean out my apartment all the way. I need it cleaned out all the way. I need all these cabinets, I need them cleaned out. I need unwanted things thrown away. Okay, let me just stop talking about what I need and let's just do. But first, let's drink some water because I'm really feeling like a hangover. Oh my god, I literally have 2 bags by my bed just in case. Such a hot day out here. A hot ass day. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Imani here, and I'm back with another freaking video. Alright, let's just get straight to the point because it's been a long time coming. So much has been going on and I really just want to update you guys. I'm so sorry this is not the best setting. I don't look my best, but I really just wanted to get on here and let you guys know the difficulties that I've been experiencing, because this is something that you may come across while you're on your journey of moving out of state or doing whatever you want to do. So as y'all know, I was supposed to I'm moving to another state. I live in Texas. I'm from Baltimore, but I'm moving to another state. I had a moving date of August 1st, 2021. That being said, I had my car picked up from Texas on July 27th, 2021. My car was picked up. My car was delivered to the state that I'm moving to. Half of my apartment is inside of my car now in the other state. My building calls me and say, okay, we are not allowing move-ins on August 1st, but we are allowing them for August 9th, which is this Sunday or this Monday. So I'm like, okay, whatever. I fly to the state to receive my car. I park my car at my friend's house, and then I flew back here. Long story short, my apartment called us today or emailed us and said move-ins are canceled for the month of August, and they'll probably presume maybe late September, beginning October. Now I don't really know what to do. I have been just trying to figure out my next move. My car, half of my life is already in that state, so I'm definitely trying to figure out another place there. If you're trying to move right now, it's getting pretty wild. Like, it's definitely pretty wild. I don't know why, because we're still in the middle of a pandemic, but for whatever reason is getting crazy. I just had to go and get a COVID test done because I've been extremely sick for the past week. I've been extremely sick, so all of this is just like overbearing right now. Like, it's so much. I already like got everything out of my apartment. That's why, as you can see, I'm sitting on my mattress on the floor, being sick, and then not having furniture in my apartment, not having my car. It's just been a lot. At this point, I don't know what to do, but it's something inside of me that's just telling me, like, don't give up. Don't be discouraged. Don't freak out. It's all gonna work out. I don't know how it is, but I know that it is. I know that it's working out for me. I know that even though this process has been so hard, the situation is really trying to make me freak out, but I'm not going to. Just know that I'm still very much here. I'm still very much moving. I'm still very much excited to show y'all the journey. I'm excited to do the journey with y'all. I'm just excited to get to my car, because this whole Uber and stuff is not me. It's not me. It's not me. It's not me. I'm sorry to keep you guys out of the loop, but I promise I'm going to continue to vlog each part, even if it seems boring, because sometimes what I think is boring, you guys don't really think it's boring. But I just want to show y'all everything. Like, I want to show you guys everything. Yeah, so thank y'all so much. I love y'all. We're about to hit 3,000 subscribers, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.